Where you want to land, dog?
Where did we land last time? Like, right here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's... Um... So, is there like some... well, there, like, let's just go here and see what's here.
Where? Alright.
Bro, when I dive down, there's water coming out of my fishbowl.
That's cute. I just realized I have to buy frost on for fucking dude.
Hey, dog. Check me out.
Dude, where the fuck are you?
I'm right over here.
Oh shit. Oh, bro, your well is yellow too?
Yeah, I can change all my pickaxe color and everything.
That's actually really cool.
I like it. Alright. It says that there's different colors at every area of the map. So I need to go through... Hey, cuz.
I've already down somebody.
Well, let me get your teammate, dog. Find out where you go,
Alright.
get that dude and find out where he's at, and I'll get the teammate. Oh, found a color.
Alright.
Hey, bro, I'm gonna get green over here. I kinda wanna find this other dude before
I
I
ain't never seen that damn skin before.
Alright, he coming. Bro, I'm about to get his ass with a pistol.
Where the fuck is he at?
He's right over here. Bro, he about to be mad.
He right there. He just picked up a green burst.
Damn, he ran around.
Yeah, he's inside of the barn right now. You want me to pop a couple shots to see if he'll come? He right there.
He ain't no more. Don't take it,
Damn.
don't take it. Are you talking about me
I'm
with
finna
this?
come in.
You talking about me with this pistol?
Yeah, he died fast as shit.
Dude, I'm telling you, I'm a little broken with the pistol. I mean, I'm not broken with the lag, but you know. Bro, I picked up a big pot and then turned around in those minis.
Well, ain't you just lucky motherfucker?
Hey, I only need one more color for the green too. There's I already got two of them, and I know where the third
Damn,
one.
dog.
I know where the third one's at. I just kept on running so I can get the kill.
Is there anything else decent in here?
Not really.
I'm gonna loot. Aight.
Oh, there's a team on me.
For real?
Oh, there's one dude I see.
Coming.
See if I can get over to two-time.
Are you still using the damn pistol?
They ran away, so I'm not really gonna go and force that attack. Oh, alright, bet. Alright, I see how it is. Yeah, see, what's gonna happen, dog? Like I said, what's gonna happen?
Oh, he has something blue. You get the... Well, whatever. Whatever you want, you can have. I don't care.
Well, I'm
I
going.
just want the shotgun.
Okay, I mean, I'm going for the dude I
Or do you
killed.
not care about this loot?
I care about it. I'm just trying to get the dude I kill.
Okay. Oh, dude, they completely bypassed these fucking chests over here.
I mean, you can have the burst. I'm not really a fan of the burst. Well, dude, to be honest,
I have a decent one right now.
to be honest, Todd, I don't think they were expecting me to pop off with a pistol. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, I need one of those.
Bitch. Oh, big pot. Hey, there's a box dropping on us too.
Oh,
Hey,
oh.
dog. I accidentally threw a nade.
Well, I lag, so that's my bad.
Did you pick up the minis that I dropped?
Yeah, my bad. I'm lagging, like, so I know where he's at. I just can't
He's up. Yeah. I think he ran away. Yeah, he ran away.
Oh, I see him.
Where?
I think that's him. Oh, yeah, he's right over there.
He's dead.
Oh, he's dead. Alright, going back to the crate. Bruh, it landed in a damn tree.
Dog, he had nothing.
Dude, the guy that ran up on us had a pistol.
That dude had a gray AR.
The dude that ran up on us, that was like right at us, had a gray pistol. Because he hit me and I was like, I have no damage taken. What is this? And then he was just like...
Anything good in there?
Just the rocket launcher. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that's all that's in here.
Damn.
And I got full shield again, but there's no... that was it, just the rocket launcher.
You got hit?
Yeah, he hit me one time and it did like 5 damage, but I didn't want to like risk it.
So I have 4 fucking kills.
Well, it says we have 5 in total, but I have 2, so I feel like we have 6 in total actually.
That's what it says on my screen.
Hey dog.
You talking about the boar, or are you talking about the folks? Where are there people?
On the bridge. I was about to say, go for that one. That one's weak.
I can't fucking hit the dude on the bottom. I downed the dude on the top.
I was about to say, the dude on top is weak. Where'd the dude at the bottom go?
I have no fucking clue. He's right there.
See if you can try to get him.
I missed. I'm gonna carry this big bot. There you go, dog.
I don't know where this dude over here went.
There's a dude looting the shit we just killed.
Really?
There's a dude playing in the water right here too. Dude, there's a guy running right beside you.
Not gonna lie, I don't know how I eliminated him, because I hit like one shot with a burst and he was dead. Hey, come on down. Hey, you
Oh, shit.
son of a bitch, you scared the fuck out of me. Don't do that. You have 2 big pots by any chance? Or just 1?
I only have 1.
Okay, that's fine. Alright, let's go over here.
I have a fuck ton of minis though.
I do too. Let's go over... Wait. No, we gotta go to zone. Okay, let's go this way.
Damn, I just realized we were running away from zone.
I hope you know, dude, I still have that pistol. Oh, what was that?
Did you just get hit again, or what happened?
I don't know. Something happened, and like it made a weird... I don't know what happened.
I heard it.
Yeah, I don't know what that was.
I just saw an animal die behind us. All the animals behind us are dying.
It could be the zone, dude.
Hopefully.
Yeah, it is, because I just watched one explode.
Okay.
When zone gets close, they just start dying. So it keeps the game...
Damn, that frog scared me.
It keeps the game from crashing. Dude, that
So
dude...
I have...
That dude on the bridge is so
He's-
pissed. You know what he's got to be. Because, like...
Yeah, I
he-
just realized we didn't go loot that motherfucker that I downed on the bridge.
I'm pretty sure his friend picked him back up, to be honest.
Nah, we killed his friend, I thought.
I don't think, because I know the dude on the ground got away. Oh, I want that. The one on the ground got away, I thought.
I wish I could find a different shotty. Hey, Doc. Shots from behind. He's dead.
Never mind. God damn it. All I heard was shots behind me. Turned around, I don't even think I hit him. I just started shooting and he was exploding. I was like, alright, fair enough. Fair enough.
I really need a different shotty. Hey, do you need submachine gun ammo? By any
Not
chance? 'Cause
really.
I have a bunch of it.
I don't think I really need any. Much I say that, I need some.
Should I make my burst a AR?
I mean, it depends on which one you're good with. Because I'm good with the AR, I'm not good with the burst.
I'm pretty decent with both. I think the AR does more damage, like, per bullet, but I think the burst, if you can hit all three, it'll do... I don't know, I just realized that is... I was gonna go to that board, but... Fucking storm. There's normally a chest over here. There's just a big pot.
I'm trying to look around for, like, inks and stuff, but I don't see any. I bet you they're all in that tower, and the tower just got covered in storm. Because it shows you icons of where they're at.
Is that fucking chest inside? No, it's not. Oh my god.
Alright, you ready to go?
Fuck. Yeah.
Well.
Well, if we see a frog, I'm killing it. I hate how the alien biome sounds. Never mind. I didn't need to kill a frog. Hey, footsteps right beside us, dog.
He's weak. Go ahead and get him. He's coming. Ty, watch out. He's shooting.
I've hit him like 3 times. Your friend is dead as fuck.
So is he. There's also a team over here because they were shooting at them.
Yeah, I saw that as well.
I'm not 100% sure where they went. Oh, I see them.
There was one right. Yeah, they're right. I can't get a good shot that far.
I hit him, so. Oh my god,
I hit him twice.
I about messed up. I saw the AI.
Hey dog, zone, what you call it's moving, dog.
Zone. You had it right the first time. I think he's a solo.
I do too. I think somebody killed the shark.
Holy fucking shit, dude.
Nah, his team's there.
Yeah, he just got there. Just keep walking and shooting. God damn. I can't do nothing.
I broke one.
Just keep trying to get in the zone.
He's fucking hitting me.
Holy, what the fuck? God
I can't
damn
get
it.
to you. You want me to try to get to you?
Dude, they're gonna kill you before you try.
Yeah, I'm dead as fuck.